Hi everyone, let's make Masoor Dal with boiled eggs today.
I've got 6 boiled eggs.
First, pierce all the eggs with a fork. Add little turmeric, little chili powder and little salt. Mix well and set aside. Add some oil. Now add the boiled eggs.
Saute the eggs on low heat. The eggs look really good. Let's take them out in a bowl.
Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dried red chilies, chopped garlic. Now add the onions. Add the tomatoes. The onions and tomatoes are cooked nicely. Let's add some chili powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder. Mix well. Now add the dal. Mix well. Add some water.
It has started boiling now, so I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat.
It's been 15 minutes now. I'm going to open the lid.
The dal is fully cooked. Let's add the eggs now.
Add the green chilies and add some salt. Give it a mix.
Cook it for another 3 minutes on medium heat.
Let's open. Wow, looks so good.
I'll turn off the heat now and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves.
Our dal with boiled eggs is ready. Look at it. So beautiful. You can enjoy it with steamed rice or chapatis, some pickle and papad. Now it's time to enjoy my food. It's a little bit spicy but very tasty. If you try it at home, let me know in the comments if you like the recipe. Bye for now.